I'm here with Mrs. Waldman, who's about to move out of the house we just purchased a couple of weeks ago. And I'm saying, Mrs. Waldman, do you have anything you would like to say about the process?
I said, yes, I found you out of the blue based on a postcard I received. I took a chance. I called up. People came over. They looked around, says, we like it. We'll do business. We had a very good relationship, very pleasant, very cordial. It led up to a closing.
Yeah.
And then we asked them to please stay in the house a couple of weeks afterwards at no rent. They agreed, so we can put everything together because we actually made a move to out of state. So all in all, we had a good relationship. It started well and it ended well, and I would highly recommend them to anybody else who wants to sell any property.
Well,
Our experience was very nice.
I thank you very much for those words, and I have to say that you left the house in beautiful condition as well. It's one of the nicest, cleanest houses we've ever had the good fortune to buy. I thank you, and I wish you the best
My
in Florida.
pleasure.